Okay, so yeah, totally missed the lower line with the 22. So might as well bust this thing out. See what's up. Got the Diabolos. Alright, standing. Huh. I mean, it didn't sound like it hit the ground, but I'm not really sure what that was. Could have been the wood. Alright, standing position, 150 feet, open sights. Damn, you really can hear that thing zinging down there, though. Okay, we're low. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna try sitting. But I mean, I guess it had enough energy to knock it over. So, let's see. Maybe aim a little higher. So this is a little challenging, I'm gonna say. I think we're about 150 feet with open sights. With the downhill trajectory. I think you saw that one though. That's a hit. 150 foot, open sights. This gun's pretty badass. Under 250 shipped. Gotta love that. Is there any way he's gonna hit that little baby Dasani bottle down there? I don't know, man. Those iced tea bottles are pretty big. That Dasani is pretty small. I'm gonna give it a few more. I got work to do. I'll shoot some more later. Oh! Yes! You saw that? Wow. Thank you. Appreciate it. Good night, folks.